Hi, I'm Chef Candace Conley, and I'm going to show you how to make Hong Kong chicken. This is actually a great dish for a weeknight meal. It's one of those where you can put all of the ingredients in the pan and then just leave it alone for a while, and then you come back and you have a great dinner. So you want to start with your boneless, skinless chicken breasts in bite-sized pieces. Then you want to mix dark brown sugar, soy sauce, and cola, and you're going to stir all of that together until the sugar dissolves. Then place your chicken in a dry saute pan and start the heat at about medium. Wait until the chicken just starts to sizzle and then add your sauce. Let the sauce come to a boil, and then you're going to add sliced baby portobello mushrooms. You stir all that around, let it come to a boil, and then reduce it to a simmer and let it cook for about 45 minutes uncovered. You want it to reduce and thicken slightly. Then after it's cooked and the chicken is tender, it's all ready to go. So serve it over rice and pour the chicken over the top. I think you'll really like it.